ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, bala play nakbantaban Shakriya P, hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai Lekai Bapaw ha Shillong, bala yada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, bala le da ka Meva Enterprise.
U National President Jong Kasengsan Perthai National People's Party u Konrad Kongel Sangma mentagasngi ka khat khandai trik urumpang arajar arpuwei ulapen pa baka National People's Party hagani ka kenti kan sayo abyang ya ka jingjop ka babun pa ha ka election ka bansalong shikiyeng dorbar thau ain jong ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ka bansalong ha ka khandai trik ubna yayong mentau snem arajar arpuwei. Haba krench kilat pathai kubor u Konrad Kongel Sangma ula ongru bawatla ke NPP kadai ka sengsan perthai ka bayatrelang bat kiwei pat ki party hapo ka kinhon jong ka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ban yalam ye ka sarkar hapo ka ni ka jilla Henry ula ongpat ba kiwei ki sengsan perthai ru kila ban mi shakhamat na kabenta ban ya aireng hagani ki election.
Poll prospect is very, very positive and NPP is very confident of forming the EC. Every party is individual, every party has got its own identity and every party has a right to contest any election that they want. So therefore it's nothing surprising and nothing wrong in it. It's good in democracy that this happens. But more importantly, as a coalition, at the state level, we are together and we're committed to this government. You have to realize one thing that the delay in salaries is a built-up for many months and years. There have been salaries when the NPP government took over, many months of salaries was not given. In fact, if you look at the records, in the time period when the NPP took over, we have been able to clear more salaries than compared to what it was before we took over. So it's not that things just happen in one go. It is an important issue. We are trying our best to ensure that the salaries are paid. In fact, before Christmas also, we cleared 2 months of salaries from the government of Meghalaya's side. So those aspects have been there. Second is regarding the corruption aspects, we have put in an audit inquiry into this entire system. So we'll see the reports that come out and based on that we will decide on